Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna make some spaghetti sauce, homemade. I have some pasta for dinner tonight. Got here some tomato sauce, some minced garlic. Actually, this is minced onions and some minced garlic that I keep in the freezer, and some parsley. I'm gonna add a splash of cooking wine to the sauce today. And of course, we're going to start out with some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to pour that in. A little more because we're going to do that whole can. This is a large can of tomato sauce. Okay. So, whatever. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway. We have it on super low heat. You can barely see it. But we don't want to burn the onion or the garlic. About this much maybe, a little more onion. Some garlic. I'm going to saute that for a little bit. Garlic I love, so I'm going to add a lot of that. Basically, a whole teaspoon here. Maybe a little more. Because I do love garlic. And I don't put too much salt. So I add more garlic to my food all the time. It's a little tip there. Salt, I'm just going to add a little bit here. And maybe a little bit to the sauce when I pour it in. Find my spatula. I can never find anything. I don't know where it went. I'll have to use the... I can't find the flat one, so I'll have to use the slotted one. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna add some black pepper as well. I don't know if you guys can see this. I have to adjust the camera here a little bit. Down more, closer maybe. I don't know. Can't use the front stove because it's broken. So yeah. Black pepper. Add that parsley. I'm gonna put the heat up just a little bit more. Some parsley. Okay, now it's starting to sizzle. If you have basil, please add that too. I don't have any basil, so it's not going in today. Lower the heat again. I don't want to burn anything. Oh, it's so aromatic already. Oh my God, it smells so good. This is just a simple spaghetti sauce that you can make in a few minutes and add to any pasta. Take that a little bit. Till it gets a bit translucent, the onions, then we're ready to pour. I'm also going to add one chorizo, chopped up chorizo, into the sauce. It's going to be a meat sauce. This is the best. I love chorizo. Spanish sausage. Love, love, love. always gonna take off the skin of that chorizo. Okay. There you go. Very good. Hurry up. And you're gonna chop it on the chopper. Just adding one. Oh, maybe I should add two. It's a lot of sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna add two. Alright. Two is peel the skin. There we go. Cover it up. I always loved to eat a little piece, because that's what I used to do when I was little. My mom cooked chorizo. So good. Chorizo is fully cooked. So it's okay to eat it. I mean, you can leave it chopped up like that. You can probably add more, but I like to, you can leave it cut up like that, but I like to chop it. Leave this here. Bring the chopper out. Totally old school here. A friend gave me this and I still have it. Nice chopper. Good. Oh, it smells so good. Put the chorizo in the chopper. You can't see the whole picture here. This up a little bit. A little noisy now. I think I'm gonna pour the chorizo in there. Can you see this? Yes. Okay. Get in here and stir it around. Cook it up a bit. Let it get infused with all those flavors of the garlic and the onion. Then we're gonna add our sauce. Good. Yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hey, I want to thank you guys for subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I make a new video. Let me put the chopper away. Let to cook and clean up at the same time. Oh, that looks nice. 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 Here comes the sauce now. add salt, a little bit to taste, or however much amount you want. I gotta do low sodium, so I don't add too much. That's why I add a lot of garlic to my food, so I don't have to add a lot of salt. Oh God, it's already pretty good. Doesn't even need a lot. That should do it. I'm gonna add a touch of red wine. I've never done that before to spaghetti sauce, but who knows? It'll probably be great. I always add cooking red wine to all my red sauces for meatballs and other stuff, so might as well add it to this. It's almost the same thing. It's still spaghetti sauce. When I make meatballs, I put it on spaghetti, so that makes it spaghetti sauce. That red wine gives it a really unique flavor, unique touch. Okay. Wow, delicious. It's perfect. Wow, it's great. Oh my God, I love, 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 love. I'm gonna cover it. And let it simmer on low heat. Put it up a little bit, just a smidge. And let it boil a bit so some of the acidity from the tomato sauce will go away. And trust me, it does. I'm not putting any more sugar in my sauce. I did it a couple of times because some people said you should put sugar. I didn't like it. Some people say to put a carrot. I don't have a carrot, so yeah. All right, while we wait for that, I'll be back. All right, guys, here we are. Sauce has been boiling a little bit. You can see there. Hand holding this phone now on the tripod because my kitchen is so badly set up I can't put the tripod on the floor to show you everything. So I wanted to show you here. The meat is in there, the chorizo. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Nice and thick with that chorizo in there. So while I was away for a few minutes, I cleaned up and I also shredded some Parmesan cheese to put on the pasta. And now I'm going to put my pasta to boil, and I'll be back. Okay, I decided to make some tricolor penne. Put that to boil now. Another reason I don't add too much salt to my sauce is because I do salt the water for the pasta. It'll get done a little faster. If you do that little trick. Wait till it's boiling. Probably have some left over for lunch tomorrow. And yeah. So, pasta's cooking. And I will be back. And our pasta should be ready. I think I overcooked it. I don't know. I got busy with something else, so it looks okay. It's a little more tender than I wanted, but it's fine. I'm gonna serve that up. Oh my God, this is so good. This is whole wheat pasta. It says it on the package. I don't know. So I'm going by whatever it says. But it's really, really, really good. I don't usually like tricolor. I don't even think I'm going to have any left over for lunch because I am hungry. I am going to have it all. I'm going to have it all. Because YOLO. only live once, right? Oh my God. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, so like I was saying, I don't like tricolor pasta usually, but I started using the Barilla brand, and that's a really good one. It tastes really, really good. All right, there we go. This. Over here. Sauce on that now. Well, I still can't find my spoon, so I got the ladle now. The kids must have used it and who knows where they put it. Oh my God, so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. A little bit more. I like it saucy. I like it like that. Saucy. And we have leftover sauce there for the rest of the week. Whenever you make pasta again, you can freeze it. So that keeps for a while. And I love my Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, that I definitely love. Just pour it on. You know, like when you're at Olive Garden and they come with the grater. You just say pour it on. Well, that's what I say. Pour it on. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me this long time. I'm trying to make longer videos now so you can get more of the experience. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you if you're a subscriber. Press the notification bell to be alerted to my new videos. And I should be posting twice a week from now on. And that's it. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy your holidays. Oh, and I still have to do my turkey dinner video. The second part of it is coming up because I actually had Thanksgiving yesterday on November 16th for personal reasons. All right. Thank you. And I'll catch you again sometime. Bye.